So today we're going to learn about how to program Rangoli or Rangoli. This challenge is very quite a little bit challenged than the other challenges because it's understanding of the pattern, right, and formatting a string. So if you look at the string, the shapes right here, it kind of look like a doormat shape design that we did earlier. And also we're going to need the string alignment and stuff. So let's try and solve this problem. So first thing first, if you look at this, I'm going to try to solve the middle one first. And then after that, we will figure out how we can solve the rest of the top and the bottom. So let's try to solve the middle one. And also you will notice that each alphabet is connected, joined together with dashes. So every other alphabet is joined with the dashes. So it's now that I said, like, you know, it's so obvious, right? So we're going to use join and library, the function stuff, right? The built-in function stuff. Okay, so now let's calculate the width of this shape. So it looked like we have half right here and half right here. So they are the size of the size -1. So each of them are size -1, and it only connect with the middle one, A, right? So let's calculate the width first. The width will be size -1, and then times size. So the width, and that will be our width, not time, plus, right? Let's add them together, and after that we will add. So it's going to be size -1, so 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 minus 1 is 17, and that's exactly the length that we need. So coming up with this formula is quite a hassle, a little bit hassle, because we have to understand how the dynamics, the pattern of the dynamics, and how each dashes and alphabet is connected together, right? So once we come with the width formula, is pretty easy after that. Okay, so now we're going to move forward to how are we going to collect these pattern and the shapes. Well, we're going to need the list, a variable list right here, and we can just call it lines. And then right here, we're going to need alphabets. Alphabet going to be A to Z, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and then Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, so that's we're going to use that alphabet variable, and also we need for loop, index, in range, and then we're going to use the size for our index range. Okay, so now after this, we have to join alphabet, basically produce this, right, this shape. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, we need the new line, and then join them with the dash, and we will have alphabet, slice of alphabet, and that will be a dynamic one. So index, it will start from index, and it is gonna go to all the way to size. And so yeah, so that will be our alphabet right here. So what is that going to look like? Well, first thing right here, it will look like this. Let's try to print this, and new line. So A, B, C, D, E, B, C, D, E, and we end up with the E, right? So that's what joining with the dash should look like. Okay, let's go move forward and try to come up with the solutions. Okay, so this is what it'll look like. And we're going to reverse that for left and right. So left will be new line, and then if you look at this, this look like a right, right? So now we're going to need the right side. So new line, and if you look at -1, if we do that, it will reverse that string. So it will be like E, D, C, B, A, right? So, and then E, D, C, B, A, for the right, we can just start it from, it's just easier, right? B, C, D, B, C, D, E, okay? So it will start from 1 till the end. And we can combine together and we will append it on lines. So that append, and we will combine together, which means left plus right. And also we have to center it, and that will be our center. So it's so that it's look like this, right? And going up all the on the top. So also we have to put the dash. So we will have to put the width, and we'll have to pass the width and also the dash. And now we are done with the list, and let's try to print down here. What does it look like? All right, and so it will look with something like this. So it's beautiful, nice. We got the answer right, I think. We still have to, you know, get rid of the list and also combine top and bottom. So I'll just show it like this. So yeah, so these are the end of the list, and this is from the middle, the top, and then E. So yeah, we're good. And let's try to copy this. So this is what it looked like. And now we're gonna convert to top and bottom. So top, we have top and bottom. And the top, we will use lines, and we will produce the top ones, and also for the bottom, and we will print the result with the new dot join, and then we will combine top plus bottom, and that will be our answer. Okay, so top. Well, what do we want to look like, right? So this is the bottom, so we will just start from right here. So that means bottom is 1 till the end, and the top is just like the left and right. This top one is, we will have to reverse it. So -1. So since we reverse it, this will be on the first, and this will be on the end. So that it look like something like this, and this will be, that will be the top, and this will be the bottom. So we join it together right down here. I think we're good to go. And we connect together, and yeah. So let's try and print that. Yeah, it worked. So let's submit this code and hopefully it pass everything. And yeah. So there you go. It passed. So that's our answer. And there you go. This is the solutions for alphabet Rangoli. Okay.